Hey, it's John Marc and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw a cartoon horse's head. That's right, just the head. So if you guys have your pencils and your paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, one of the things I'd like you to take home with this lesson is, as you saw the structure that you create the horse with, those 3 easy steps, now take those same 3 easy steps and change the style to something that would fit something that you like or be creative for this time. So a lot of my videos, I'll say from time to time, what I like you to use is your creativity. Think outside the box. Sure, it's great copying somebody else's artwork, because sometimes you have to do that. Like you see Pinocchio, you got to know that style. Well, in this case, that was just a little style of a horse head that I did. Now, for you, you could create your own style and then share it with your family and friends to show how they can create it. Alright, so as always, if you haven't signed up to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. And if you have, thanks a lot. I appreciate that, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.